morning to everyone. Today I am going to teach you about inclined plane from force, energy and simple mission. Already we have seen lever classification of lever, first, second and third class of levers. Even examples also, yes, we have seen for this. Okay, so today in our class, inclined plane, we will let us study about inclined plane. Okay, so this is also one of the simple mission, one of the tool we are going to use to make our work easy. Yes, children. Okay, inclined plane. With example, I will try to say it. You see, every children's you have an experience. You might have an experience about playing with a slide, playing with the slope in our school also, in the yes, park also. Yes, children. So how you feel that? It is very easy to move on slope, no? Yes, very easy. So like that only, while carrying the heavy weight. So while carrying, while carrying, we feel little difficult to carry. But when we are going to use slope or slide, to carry, so the work is going to be very easy. Yes, see in your textbook, page number 92, they are given the diagram about ball rolling down on inclined plane. Okay, so you can realize that the ball, just imagine, just compare, the ball is rolling down on the inclined plane as well as on the floor also. Okay, yes, you can identify the difference between rolling the ball on the slope also, slide also, as well as on the floor also. Which is move very fast? Yes. Okay, when you are going to play ball, yes, when we are going to play the ball on the, yes, rolling down the ball on the slope, it's going to be very easy compare than, yes, this another case. Yes, children. So next case, two more figures you have. A man using staircase, why means to carry heavy rice bag. Yes, see here, they are using steps to carry the rice bag. In another case, a rice bag sliding down on inclined plane. Which one is very easy, children? Second case very easy, no? Because why means, yes, we are using slide. So we are using inclined plane. Why? To carry the ice bags. Yes, rice bags. It's going to be very easy. So it's going to be, yes, it's make easy our work. Yes, but without inclined plane, if you are going to carry the rice bag, yes, it is we feel difficult to carry the rice bag because heavy weight. Yes, so while using the tools, the work is going to be easy. The work, it will become very easy. Yes, children. So inclined plane also one of the simple missions. Okay, it's going to be make our work very easy. Yes. Next case, pulley. Even pulley also, yes, one of the simple mission. Why we need to use? Yes, to lift heavy weight. Yes, pulley is used to lift a heavy weight. It is a small wheel. See in your textbook, children, page number 92, pulley, the diagram of pulley. Yes, you see that the pulley. Yes, sir. To lift the water also from the well, we are using this. Okay, see, I asked, that means pulley is used to lift a heavy weight without spending more energy. Okay, see, next, it is a small wheel with a groove around it, outer edge. It's a groove outer edge. So finally, this groove can hold a rope in position. Yes, it can hold the rope. Yes, children. See, here in this two type of pulleys, there, fixed pulley and movable pulley. So pulley means we can lift heavy weight through the pulley. So in that, fixed pulley and movable pulley, with example they are given. Okay. See here, fixed pulley. Fixed pulley is to some support. Means yes, fixed pulley is fixed to some support. Why? A rope is passed over the pulley. One end of the rope is tied to a load and another end, and the effort is applied on the other end. Yes, here uh, you might have seen, okay, lifting water from the well. Yes, one end of the rope is going to be tied with the bucket. Another end, yes, another end we are using to give support, force. Why? Means we want to lift the water from the well. Yes, children. Okay, so a rope is passed over the pulley. One end of the rope is tied to the load, and the effort is applied on the other end. A similar but much smaller pulley is used on the hoisting flag. Okay, so in that cases we can use it. So this type of pulley is usually used to draw water from the well. Yes, see, it is a you can see that the lifting water from the well, you can understand through that very easy. Yes, children. So next case, movable pulley. So first case is fixed pulley. Next case, movable pulley. Okay, movable pulley helps to reduce the effort, because the weight is supported by more than one pulley. Okay, so in these cases we are using more than one pulley. Why? Because it's going to reduce the weight. Okay, so that's why it's supported by more than one pulley. More the number of pulleys, easier the work becomes. Okay, so work it will become easy because of more pulleys. Okay, but lifting water from the well, we are using only one pulley. But here, movable pulley, here more than one pulley we are using, because it's going to be, yes, the it's going to be reduce the effort, because weight is supported by more than one pulley. More the number of pulley, easier the work becomes, because the total effort gets divided across different pulleys. So total effort, what happen, is going to be, it gets divided across different pulleys. So this is usually used in lift heavy loads. Okay, heavy loads. So lifting heavy loads, there the movable pulley, yes, it can use. Okay, children. So first, inclined planes. So through the one of the simple missions, it's going to be make our work easy. Okay, so with the example I told that, again pulley also, a simple mission to, yes, to lift heavy weight without a difficult force. In that fixed pulley and movable pulley. Fixed pulley example we can say that is usually we are using in our home to lift water from the well. So second case, heavy weight. If you want to lift, so we need one more pulleys, because this weight is going to be, yes, divided. Okay, see here, because the total effort gets divided across different pulleys. Okay, this is usually used to lift heavy load. Yes, children. Thank you, children. Bye.